The thought of one's own passing can be an uncomfortable and distressing subject for many. However, death is a natural part of life, and planning for it can be a responsible and compassionate decision. When an individual passes away, their loved ones are often left with the burden of final expenses, including funeral costs and outstanding debts. The financial impact of these expenses can be overwhelming for families, especially during a time of grief. This is where burial insurance comes into play, providing a safety net for families and ensuring they are not burdened with overwhelming expenses during a difficult time. In this video, I explore the financial impact of final expenses and how burial insurance can provide peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Let's get started. So, what is the financial burden of final expenses? We can sum up the financial burden of final expenses into three things: funeral and burial costs, outstanding debts, and loss of income. Funeral and burial costs. The cost of a funeral service and burial can vary widely depending on factors such as location, desired services, and personal preferences. However, even the most basic funeral and burial arrangements can be quite expensive. In the United States, the average cost of a traditional funeral with burial ranges from $7,000 to $12,000. This cost typically includes embalming, a casket, a burial plot, a grave marker, and funeral service fees. Outstanding debts. In addition to funeral and burial costs, families may be left with other financial responsibilities following a loved one's passing. These can include medical expenses, credit card debts, loans, and mortgages. While certain debts may be forgiven or discharged upon the debtor's death, others may be passed on to surviving family members, adding to the financial burden during an already difficult time. Loss of income. The death of a primary earner in a household can have a significant impact on the family's financial stability. A sudden loss of income can make it difficult for loved ones to cover their daily expenses, let alone final expenses. So how can final expense insurance help? We get this question a lot at Final Expense Direct, and we see burial insurance helping in three main ways: guaranteed acceptance, affordable premiums, and fixed premiums. Guaranteed acceptance. Some burial insurance policies are guaranteed issue, meaning that individuals can secure coverage regardless of their age or health conditions. This is particularly beneficial for older individuals or those with pre-existing medical conditions who may not qualify for traditional life insurance. Affordable premiums. Due to the smaller death benefit amounts and the simplified underwriting process, burial insurance premiums are generally more affordable than those of traditional life insurance policies. This makes it easier for individuals to budget for and maintain coverage. Fixed premiums. The premiums for burial insurance policies are fixed for the life of the policy, meaning they will not increase as the policyholder ages or their health changes. This provides financial predictability and peace of mind for the insured and their family. Want to learn more about final expense insurance and how it can help your funeral costs? We can help. Burial insurance provides a valuable safety net, ensuring that your loved ones are not left with overwhelming expenses when you pass away. Give us a call today at 1-800-217-0014 or visit us at finalexpensedirect.com.